to settle into those places. And I think that we take for granted the fact that we lived or we found ourselves in parts of the world where we are given the freedom to express. You're not allowed to express yourself a certain way. And so the fact Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. This morning I'm going into the office and I'm going a bit earlier than I usually would because I have like an early meeting with some of my colleagues. It's more like an informal meeting. We're having breakfast. I don't think I'll be able to film at all in the office. My diary is a bit packed, so I'm just gonna head out and I'll speak to you guys maybe when I get back, okay?
Look, yeah, because when I tell my mom, like, oh,
ground floor.
I picked up two items from SpackeNK. One of it I've bought before, the other one is the first time that I'm buying it. The body butter is what I've bought before. I think this would be my third bottle that I'm going through. This is the third one that I'll be buying from them. I absolutely love it. I used to buy the lotion, but then I just decided to try out this one out of curiosity and I absolutely love it. I prefer it to the lotion. This is so good. The other item I got, okay, I'm shocked. I think what I thought I bought was not what I bought for. It's been a long time that I bought it. So this one is the ordinary peptide serum for hair density. I've been suffering from hair loss. I also got You to the People face wash. I decided to buy the small size just to see if I would like it before buying the full size. The last thing I got is a gift from SpackeNK. It's a birthday gift because my birthday is in November, so they sent me a birthday gift with my order. I'm gonna open this up to see so what's inside it. The next item I'm unboxing is a gift, and this was gifted to me by my mom. I've lost a couple of AirPods in the past, and I think I was also complaining about how uncomfortable AirPods had become for me, and so he decided to get me this. Yeah. Ooh. No. So I'm about to be one of those cool people when I'm going on my walks, and I'll just have this. Oh, couldn't hear myself. I'm really excited about this. The first item I got is this sweater from H&M, and I absolutely love it. Like the feel, it feels so soft. It feels soft. The material is not cheap at all. It feels really good. I don't remember the price, but I'm going to put it on the screen, and I got it in large. The next item from H&M is this short-sleeved turtleneck. I wasn't sure when I was buying it. I just got it because I thought, I like turtleneck. It's getting cold. Maybe it would be a good idea. I absolutely love it. And I got this in medium. I actually bought it because I wanted to pair it with the sweater, and I think it's going to go well. The last item I picked up from H&M is this cream colored trouser, and I love it. As a girl with long legs and short torso, I struggle with finding pants. Usually my friend just custom make most of my pants, but I thought that was not sustainable, and I decided to give this a trial. I absolutely love it. I'm going to see if they have it in another color so I can get it. I was going for baggy feet, and I love it. Like, it was so good. I got this in size 14 just because I was trying to make it a bit big and comfortable on me. This is really nice. The material looks a bit linen-ish, but it's not linen. I don't know how to describe material, so I'm just going to leave that. I have a prescription to pick up.
Did you order it already? You just ordered it now?
No, I ordered it online already.
Yeah.
A couple of hours ago.
It'll just be 10 minutes. We need to get it prepared.
Okay.
It's 41.53 altogether.